जेफरी डॉमर, द रिनोन्ड सीरियल किलर। डॉमर एक अमेरिकन सीरियल किलर, नेक्रोफिलियक और कैनिबल था जो मिल्वॉकी, विस्कॉन्सिन से था। डॉमर, an extremely disturbed individual, would lure young men to his apartment, जहां वो उनका मर्डर और बॉडी को डिसमेंबर कर देता था, after sedating them with alcohol or drugs. After disposing of his victims, he would consume or experiment with their remains. By the time of his trial, he was charged and convicted of 15 murders and given numerous life sentences. आखिरकार November 28, 1994 में Dahmer was beaten to death at the Columbia Correctional Institution in Milwaukee. इनके ऊपर एक फिल्म भी बनाई गई है, अगर आपने नहीं देखी तो you can check it out on Netflix.